Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost with a hookah. This cool trick involves exhaling a dense cloud of smoke, letting it hover, and then drawing it back in. It takes a bit of practice, but with the right technique, you'll be impressing your friends in no time. We'll cover the essential steps to achieve a clear, defined ghost every time. Let's get started on mastering this fun hookah trick. To create a great ghost, smoke density is key. Start by ensuring your hookah is producing thick, rich clouds. Take a long, slow drag, filling your mouth completely with smoke, but don't inhale it into your lungs just yet. This concentrated smoke will form the basis of your ghost. Proper heat management of your coals is crucial for consistent, dense vapor. Aim for a smooth, full mouthfeel. Now for the magic. Once your mouth is full of dense smoke, gently push it out using your tongue and jaw without exhaling with your lungs. Form your lips into a small O shape to help create a distinct, spherical ghost. Let the smoke float just in front of your mouth for a moment. Then, quickly and smoothly, draw the floating smoke back into your mouth. Practice makes perfect for this precise timing. For an even better ghosting experience, try experimenting with various Shisha flavors. Some produce denser smoke than others. Practicing in a room with minimal airflow will help your ghost maintain its shape longer before you re-inhale it. Remember, patience and repetition are your best friends when learning this trick. Also, for a truly clean space to enjoy your hookah, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Keep practicing, and you'll master the ghost in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.